Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2016 Jeep Cherokee and I will show you how you can adjust the steering wheel height, or even you can pull it in or out to set it up to your preference depending on your height, the hand reach and things like that. This video should apply to Jeep Cherokees made from 2014 all the way up to 2023. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now adjusting the steering wheel is quite easy actually. I will show you down here. I turn the flash on my phone actually so you can see it better. There is a lever just here under the steering wheel, you see it? All you have to do, you have to push it all the way down, but do not do this while you are driving. You have to do this while the vehicle is turned off and you're parked, so nothing happens, right? You can't adjust the steering wheel while you drive. Now you push this lever all the way down and now your steering wheel will be completely loose. So you can go up and down, you see? Up and down, and you can go in. Okay, I'm not sure you can see it, and it can go out as well, towards you, right? You see how much I was able to pull it out. Okay, I'll do it here from the side. Now in or out, you see, and up or down, and that way you can adjust it to your driving style. You can adjust the seat, you can adjust the steering wheel and be in ideal position. Important thing, once you're done fixing your steering wheel, make sure to pull this lever up and lock it in place, right? If you don't do this, your steering wheel will stay loose. It will click and now you cannot move it anymore. It's nice and firm. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.